Ladies and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? The curtain will rise in 1 minute.
Ladies and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? The performance is about to begin.
Ladies and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? The curtain will rise at any moment.
Hold on, I'll go and look. Always the same, isn't it? Soon as you take the weight off your feet, down it all comes on your head. And I take the sardines. No, I leave the sardines. No, I take the sardines.
Leave the sardines. You put the receiver back.
Oh, yes, I put the receiver back.
Leave the sardines.
And I leave the sardines.
Leave the sardines.
I put the receiver back and I leave the sardines.
Right.
We've changed that, have we, love?
No, love.
That's what I've always been doing.
I shouldn't say that.
Bag.
Bag!
What do you mean bag? Bag. Sardines! 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 What bag?
No bag!
No bag.
Your bag, suddenly here, now gone.
It's in the bedroom. It was in the bedroom. I put it in the bedroom. I'll put it back in the bedroom.
Where'd they go in there?
The box!
The box?
They've both not gone. Where is Mrs. Spratchett? You? Wait in the bedroom.
No.
Well, let's put your dress on.
I'm not going in there.
I'll fetch it for you. I'll fetch it for you.
Yes, quick, let's get out of here.
Your dress has gone.